YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on Data Saver for Facebook on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This will work for the S23 Ultra and most versions of the S23 as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on Data Saver for Facebook on the S23 Ultra, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually open up Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, you want to hit the three lines button at the top right of the screen to take you to the menu section. And then from there, you want to hit the settings gear. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for media. This is usually below language and region. After you hit media, you'll see that there's an option for Data Saver, which is usually the second choice. And as you can see, you use up to 40% less data by reducing video quality. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to use less data using Data Saver for Facebook on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.